Deep Space Divinity by Dame Mother Pat on Mondays. MCGRATH. Brown Girl Bella. So here is Deep Space Divinity. Finally, I opened this in the car because I was so nervous that it was going to arrive broken because and I saved the box. When it arrived like this. So this tissue paper was over it. This little tiny piece of bubble wrap was in the middle, and then there's another piece of tissue paper at the bottom along with my shipping information. So that's just how it came last time, and then I opened it and it was a disaster. So I said, let me take my time, open it in the car, so at least if I need to cry, I can cry in the car because it's broken. But we'll open it up. And ta-da! It is completely intact. So let's begin. Inspire interdimensional allure with this limited edition curated quartet of decadent supernova stunners in 4 finishes, including velvet matte, 4 metallic sateen shimmer, and a 24 karat dual chrome sparkle. These luxuriously next generation formulas glide on with a silky, even layer of sumptuously saturated color that blends effortlessly. Discover an array of intergalactic looks for elevated artistry. Yes, honey. So it contains pearl shimmer, metallic duochrome, a rich matte. It has strong saturation, creamy texture, ultra blendable. Use 1 stroke to apply, and you can use this either wet or dry. It is 4 times 1.75 grams or 0.6 ounces. Here we go. Let's get into it. So I've already done my foundation and my primer. I have prepped underneath my eyes with concealer. I just need to set it, and with that I'm going to use Mother Pat. This creamy goodness by Mother Pat. This is the Pat McGrath in yellow. This is the Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Blurring Under Eye Powder. So we're going to use that underneath the eye. A lot of kick up in here, but it works really, really well. And if you hear any sounds in the background, that is Brooklyn snoring, carrying on, something. All right, are we ready to begin? Let's start. I've already primed my eyes, as I mentioned, so I am ready to jump in. Like I said in the intro, these shadows can be applied wet or dry to amplify the color. You can pair this with the Intensifies Artistry wand, which is here, to have some more dramatic opacity and extend the wear. And you can use the shadow brushes to contour, accentuate, and define the eyes. And you can also apply sparkle shadows to the inner corner to intensify and brighten the eyes. So we're going to use all 4 of these. I'm going to start with the swatches, beginning from the top right hand corner, probably your left. I'm going to go with that sparkly color, which is called Golden Aurora. So here's Golden Aurora. And there it is on the arm. The next one is called Alien Moon. Is that right? No. The next one is called Rose Nocturne. That's the next one. Rose Nocturne. That's beautiful. Then we have Alien Moon. Oh yes, we're definitely using that duochrome. That is fantastic. And then lastly, we have Fawn Fantasia. Wow, those are the colors. So beautiful. Okay, so swatches are off. Let's get to this eye look because I am excited. I'm going to go in, like I said, with this color right here, which is Rose Nocturne. I'm going to throw that into the crease. I'm going to put it all over the eye. Rougher number 2. I'm going to take that same color and run it underneath the eye. And connect it to what I did at the top. And then just smooth and blend. Now we're going to take the Sonia G brush. This is the Builder. And we're going to go into this beautiful color right here, which is Alien Moon. This is the color I was so excited about. I'm going to start in the middle. I'm going to bring that color all the way down to the lash line and all the way up to the crease line. Already given me great shine, great pigment, but I am going to see if the intensified artistry wand, if it gives me a little bit more emphasis with this color. But by itself, it is gorgeous. Next to Alien Moon is Fawn Fantasia, and I'm going to take the rougher brush number 14, and I'm just going to use that to highlight the brow bone right underneath. Just using a little tap at a time. And now for the inner corner, I'm going to take another brush. This one is the number 12. And I'm going to go into the first shade, which is Golden Aurora. And I'm going to plop that right in the center as my inner corner highlight. Alright, let's finish off the look, add some lipstick on, and I will be right back with my final thoughts. Okay babes, I am back with the completed look. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me just say, Mother, I love this palette. I absolutely love it. I did a very vampy look for today, and this little palette right here did all the heavy lifting for me. It is easy to blend. I can see why everyone really loves this. I anticipate this one will sell out really fast, because once people start to experiment with it, and I'm going to play around with it a little more myself, you're going to really enjoy it. So worth the wait. Even this shade right here, which is a shade that exploded the first time I got it, even this shade is just beautiful. It's the Fawn Fantasia. Oh my goodness, so pretty. And this one here, that Alien Moon, oh, That's what's all over my lid right now, and I didn't even use the wand to intensify anything. I just used the color on its own, and it provided me with so much glimmer and shine. But to show you what the intensifiers can do, I will go back now and add it. Alright, so using my ring finger, I'm going to rub it on to get the mixing liquid on, and we're just going to tap it right on top. And then we're going to go back into Alien Moon, and we're going to tap that right on top of where we used the pen. So it gave it much more of a foily kind of look to it. I'm here for it. I'm definitely here for it. So pretty, so pretty. I love this. This is like a magic wand for your eyes. It definitely brought up the metal moon and made it much more foily, much more standout-ish. I could see using this in collaboration with Bronze Borealis as well, because there's certain colors that I would love to play with a little more. So you might see that coming up soon. But really, let me tell you again, this palette is gorgeous. Gorgeous. They're soft, which I can, tell from just touching it the last time I had it. When it broke, and it's just so beautiful. This rich matte right here is just, oh my god, so good. The whole palette is very, like I said, soft and creamy in texture. It is something that you need to be, really careful with. And so I'm going to put it back into the box, because I drop ish like a pigeon over here. So I do not want to drop this. So back in the box you go. Stand out, stand out. This one and the $78 Odyssey one. Oh, so good. I can even do a combo with that. So once again, let's look at the Mega Celestial Odyssey that also was released with this. Oh my goodness. I can see this in collaboration with the Deep Space Odyssey. How about Metal Moon and this baby right here, which is Noir Moon? Isn't that gorgeous? I would love to see those two colors in action, because when you wipe it down, it does give you the same kind of color payoff, but just different tonalities. I love it. I think I will do that next as well. I did want to mention in the waterline, I did use this pencil by Marc Jacobs. This is Midnight in Paris, one of my favorites. And of course, as a highlight, I use Mother's newest baby. This is Lunar Moon. You see the embossing on that? I mean, not even. Oh, just so beautiful. And what else? Oh, and for the cheeks, I used this beautiful baby here, which is Electric Bloom. I wanted a really strong color to enhance the eye color, and so I chose Electric Bloom for that reason. Oh, I'll take pictures so you can see it up close and personal, but just look. Gorgeous. And now you have just been bellified.